Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to send money through Apple Pay. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to send and receive cash using Apple Pay. So as you can see, I'm already in the settings app. We're gonna go ahead and scroll through and then tap on wallet. Basically, you're gonna want to add a card. So it'll be your Apple Pay wallet. And once you do that, you can add money in it, or if it already has money, you don't have to worry about it. But if you add money, you can send them through the messages app. So just open messages and then choose a random one. In my country, it doesn't work. Apple Pay doesn't work because we have another way of paying. But if it does work in your country, this is the best way to send money. So once you're in messages, you're gonna see these icons right here. So you're gonna want to look for Apple Pay. But since my country doesn't allow Apple Pay, it's not showing here. So you're gonna want to go ahead and see if it works for you. And it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.